Have you ever thought about how you can maximize your investment sa isang condo unit? Or maybe you're curious about the different ways to earn from it? Kung ganon, panoorin mo ito. Alam mo po, investing in a condominium can be one of the smartest decisions you will ever make. Kaya't ngayon pa lang po, congratulations! Alam mo po ba na hindi lang isa, kundi tatlo po ang pinaka-common na paraan para kumita sa isang condo unit? Let's talk about these three types of rental businesses na pwedeng-pwede mong subukan. Una, long-term rentals. Ito po ay para sa mga tenants na usually nagli-lease ng 6 months to a year or more. This is ideal for families or professionals na malapit ang pinagtatrabahuhan or even students near to their universities. Ang maganda po dito, steady ang income mo and mas mababa po ang turnover cost. Imagine, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng bagong tenants every few months. Plus, mas madaling i-manage kasi stable ang stay nila. Pangalawa, short-term rentals. Perfect po ito sa mga nagbabakasyon for staycations or business travelers na kailangan ng place for a few days to a few months. Platforms like Airbnb, Agoda, Booking.com, or even Lamudi are your best friends dito. Mas mataas po ang rental income potential, especially during peak seasons. Pwede mo rin pong baguhin ang rates based on demand, local events, or seasonal trends, kaya mas optimize ang kita. And the best part, kung gusto mo pong gamitin ang unit mo, you can block off the dates for your personal use. Flexibility at its finest. At panghuli, rent to own. Dito po may option ang tenant na bilhin ang unit after a specified period. Parte ng rent nila magiging part ng down payment nila in the future. Ang kagandahan po nito, committed ang tenants to take care of the property kasi may plano silang bilhin ito eventually. Habang kumikita ka rin po sa rent, tumataas din ang value ng property mo. Plus, di mo na po kailangan mag-market or maghanap ng buyer. Kasi po, tenant mo na mismo ang bibili. So there you have it, 3 different ways to maximize your condo investment. Long-term rentals for steady income, short-term rentals for higher potential earnings and flexibility, at rent-to-own for a committed tenant and a future sale. Each rentals options has its unique benefits and it all depends on what fits best for your goals. Remember, investing in a condominium can be more than just owning property. It can be a smart financial move that opens up many opportunities. Sana nakatulong po ito sa iyo, and if you are in search of condominium investment, just send me a message. Happy investing and follow for more condo investment learnings.